Today, I got a new squishy package. I think this is from Banggood.com. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna open this up. Oh, I already smelled the onions. You already probably know. Yes. Here's the Kebrew colossal bread, or people call it like the pineapple bread. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna take this out of packaging. I never thought this. Oh, this is so soft. Smells like bread. Oh. Smells so good. The detailing, the everything. Oh. Freaking smells like pineapple bread. It's on point. Everything is just. They could not get any better, could it? Let's see this up. And I ordered one more squishy, which is the onion squishy. I don't know. I can't smell it. I smell it just a little bit. Alright, well, some people don't like the smell. Some people think it smells realistic. Other people it smells like garlic bread. Some people smells like garlic. It smells so realistic. What is life? So soft. Oh, I'm dying. It smells so good. So this is the onion in it. It smells. I just can't. This is such an amazing package. I thought this was like lost or something. This is like amazing. Oh. Here it is. Oh, I put this in backwards. Alright, here's the back. I can't believe it. This is great. Oh, so soft. Well, that's it for my squishy package. Okay, bye.